The Honourable, the Minister of
Francophone Affairs.
Francophone Affairs.
Thank you. Merci, Monsieur. Mr. Speaker, I rise in this honourable House to recognize today as Provincial Francophonie Day. The Government of Newfoundland and Labrador has celebrated this occasion since 1999. This morning, I was pleased to participate in an event organized by the Francophone Federation of Newfoundland and Labrador here at Confederation Building. I was honored to join students from École des Grands Vents in this celebration, and similar events are taking place today on the Port-au-Port Peninsula and in Labrador. Ce matin, j'ai été très heureux de participer à un événement organisé par la Fédération des francophones de Terre-Neuve et du Labrador, ici à l'édifice de Confédération. J'ai eu l'honneur de me joindre aux élèves de l'École des Grands Vents dans cette célébration. Des activités connexes se déroulent aujourd'hui sur la péninsule de Port-au-Port et au Labrador. Monsieur le Président, je travaille étroitement avec le Bureau des services en français des ministères clés et la Fédération des francophones afin de déterminer les meilleures façons de mettre en œuvre la politique sur les services en français et en faveur de notre communauté francophone et acadienne. Mr. Speaker, I've been working closely with the Office of French Services, key departments, and the Francophone Federation to identify the best ways to implement the policy on French language services for the benefit of our Francophone and Acadian communities. This policy is helping us build stronger partnerships across the provincial government and identify tangible services that can be offered in both English and in French. Mr. Speaker, I would like to take this opportunity to advise this Honourable House that on June 22nd and 23rd, I will co-host the Ministerial Conference on the Canadian Francophonie here in St. John's. This will be along with the Honourable Mélanie Joly, Minister of Canadian Heritage. We look forward to addressing the priority issues of the Francophone community during this conference. Aujourd'hui, j'invite tous les honorables députés à se joindre à moi pour féliciter la communauté francophone et acadienne de Terre-Neuve et Labrador en cette journée de la francophonie provinciale. Today, I ask all honorable members to join me in congratulating the Francophone and Acadian community of Newfoundland and Labrador on this Provincial Francophonie Day. Thank you, and merci beaucoup.